8 ounces of the easy to apply wheel armor, wheel and rim protection of any type. The wheel armor is the latest in wheel protection. It's an SiO2/polymer coating, effortlessly flush away brake dust when it's protected with the product, so it claims. Makes your wheels and keeps them glossy and slick and easy to clean. Recommended use when applied directly to the wheel. After 30 seconds, wipe in with a roughly 340 GSM towel or higher, or wipe until the streaks are gone or wiped in. And after it dries in 15 minutes, continue on with your day. Let's give it a shot. Now, when it comes to prep, if you just want to leave the wheels on the vehicle, clean the face of the wheel, and protect that way really quickly, that's perfectly fine. If you want to get the most out of what you put into it, you can actually pull the wheel. You can clean the wheel front and back, flip it around. When you have it on the wheel stand, it makes it so much easier. There's just a little bit more liability when you pull wheels, especially if you do it for a customer, but you can give it a deep clean that way and get the most out of whatever you coat it with. The spray coating, such as what we have here, or a professional coating, and you can just take your time and do it right. Either way, prep the wheel either still attached to the vehicle or on a wheel stand, and you are ready to protect it. Wheels are clean. Let's get them protected. Make sure the wheels are completely dry after cleaning them. The prep work is very important. Spray onto the wheel. We have a locking mechanism to move to the side here. Now we can spray. Comes out in a fine mist, atomized. So let's cover the whole wheel here. Let's not skimp out. Get it in there. Barrel of the wheels. Now it wants us to let it dwell for about 30 seconds before starting to wipe it in. I did go grab my higher GSM towel, as the label indicates. Okay, time has expired. Let's come back in and wipe the coating into the wheel. I'll just do it lightly at first. Kind of rub that coating in or massage it into the material. Not worrying about making sure I have every drop wiped up. Then I'll flip the towel over and come back in and buff it and make sure it's completely dry and wiped into the wheel. I do feel the slickness right away with this. So the label was definitely correct with that so far. And really, that is it. You go around and do this to all 4 wheels, your job is done. Let's get it really heavy up here on the front wheel. These front wheels take a beating when it comes to heat and brake dust. So we'll get it on there heavy and let that sit for 30 seconds or so. And we'll come back in and wipe it in. Take your time, and you can flip the towel over and wipe it in. I'm not sure if this and I can experiment later. I want to see how it holds up getting this base layer down, guys. But after the base layer, I'm going to try to mist it on there and rinse it off and do a spray and rinse protection. And I'll see if it makes any type of staining or streaking, see if it works that way. Because after the foundation layer's on there, I mean, it is it's a thin product, it should work, but I'll give it a try. All right, we now have all 4 wheels protected with the Hydrosilex Wheel Armor. And we just wait 15 minutes before taking the vehicle out and enjoying it. And I will have this for quite some time. So I will keep you up to date with its durability. I'm not even going to guess as to how long, you know, a wheel coating, let alone a spray coating, lasts, because the durability range is going to greatly depend on where you live, your driving conditions, how many miles you put on the car, the weather, the season. So we'll just leave it at that and then update on this vehicle when we do our washes and maintenance cleanings. Before I head out, I wanted to show you the hydrophobics that this already has. So I do have high hopes for this to hold up, you know, at least for a couple weeks. Let's see how easy the wheel would be to dry. Yeah, so I mean, it looks like the coating will make the wheel easy to maintain, hopefully keep it clean, cleaner longer, make it easy to clean, but I will fill you guys in as I drive this vehicle heavily, putting the miles on, because we do need to put miles on this thing to flush the transfer case that we're working on, and I'll let you know how it holds up. All right, guys, that's going to do it for this video. I will let this car sit in overnight, give it at least 12 to 24 hours of cure time, way past the 15 minutes that it does mention on the label. And I will keep you filled in when it comes to durability. We'll check up on it maybe in 2 weeks or so. And I'll put a link down below if you want to look into this a little further. Again, this is the Hydrosilex Spray Coating, SiO2 / polymer spray coating.